Simon's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we're back, and we have some more Home Depot savings for you guys today. So today we're going to be looking at the Home Depot How Doers Get More Done Weekly Ad. This is going to be from August 10th through August 17th. So we're going to check out what they got today, and like as always, we're going to just hit the stuff that we think is a good deal. Mainly going to be focusing on tools, but if we see some good stuff along the way, we'll go ahead and make a mention of it. Also, again, if I don't talk about something that you guys feel like is important, that you guys have some good or bad experience with, go ahead and put in the comment section below. We would greatly appreciate it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this. So this is How Doers Get More Done, the Home Depot Weekly Ad. So here you got up to 15% off select closet and storage. And you can see those here below. Next we got baths done right, up to 40% off select bath. Here's some vanities. Bathtub. Shower. Moving on, coming into some good stuff. We got the Milwaukee stuff. We got free battery with the purchase of the select Milwaukee M18 tool kits. Shop now. So here we go. We got a $99 Milwaukee M18 volt 2.0 amp hour lithium ion compact battery. Next, we got a Milwaukee M18 cordless drill driver impact driver. This is going to be $199 for the kit. It comes with two tools, two 1.5 amp hour battery, a charger, tool bag. So you get all that for $199. Not a bad deal, guys. Moving on for a little bit more. We have pretty much the same item. We got the Milwaukee M18 18 volt cordless drill driver, impact driver, combo kit, 2-tool with the 23-piece drill bit set. So it doesn't say. The kit includes driver, 2 compact red lithium 1.5 amp hour batteries. Milwaukee. So you get everything plus the 23-piece drill bit set for an extra $20. Not a bad deal. Here we have the M18, another Milwaukee item. We have for $209. You get this set here. It's the Milwaukee M18 18 volt cordless drill driver, impact driver, combo kit, 2-tool with a 50-piece driving bit set. Another Milwaukee item. This is going to be for $328 for the Milwaukee M18 18 volt cordless drill driver, impact driver, combo kit, 2-tool with a reciprocating saw. Another Milwaukee tool. We got the $328 for this combo kit. It's going to be combo kit's going to include the Milwaukee M18 18 volt lithium ion cordless drill driver, impact driver, combo kit, 2-tool with a 4.5-inch cut off grinder. Not a bad deal on that. Next, we got for $338, we got the Milwaukee M18 cordless drill driver, impact driver, multi-tool combo kit, 3 tools for $338. Next, we got for $467, we got the Milwaukee M18 cordless drill driver, impact driver, multi-tool combo kit, 3 tools with a 6.5-inch circular saw. Next and last but not least, we got the M18 cordless drill driver, impact driver, combo kit, 2-tool with a circular saw. So not a bad deal, guys. Got some Milwaukee combo kits here you could take advantage of. I usually try to jump on these deals if I'm going to need a Milwaukee tool. This is the best bang for your buck. I want to say we got a kit similar. It was the M12. It wasn't the M18. It was the M12 in this exact configuration for $99. I do believe I did a video on that. So for 2 tools, 2 batteries, and a charger, and a bag for $100, not a bad deal for the M12. And here's the M18 for $199. So not a bad deal, guys. Gonna go ahead and move on. Moving on. This is any floor, any room, any style. Shop now. So here's some flooring if you guys are interested. Cooling options for all summer comfort. Getting some AC for those hot summer days, guys. We'll go ahead and talk about this just because it's considered a tool. We got a Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volt cordless 7.5 inch bucket top misting fan kit with 1.5 amp hour battery and a charger. So that's pretty cool. It's like a mister. Not a bad deal to have in the shop. And that's by Ryobi. Here is a Costway 215 CMF portable evaporative cooler fan and heater humidifier. Original price is $165.46. It is on sale right now for $147.68. Not a bad deal right there, guys. Looks like it comes with the remote control. Moving on. A smarter home in seconds. So you got some Bluetooth plugs and outlets. Coming up onto some stylish patio furniture made to last. You guys can see the savings right there. Scary season is among us. So October's coming up, guys. Halloween is coming up. We'll go ahead and go through these just because I think it's pretty cool. Home Depot usually has a lot of pretty cool Halloween, Christmas decorations. So we'll go ahead and hit these. Go ahead and go through these. Here's a Home Accents Holiday 7-foot animated THD 3000 for $279. For $349, we have a 12-foot giant-sized towering ghost. For $299, we have a Home Accents Holiday 12-foot animated hovering witch. For $199, we got a 6-foot LED lit gold encrusted casket. For $129, we got a Home Accents Holiday 7-foot plug-in LED color changing willow tree. And last but not least, we have a 7-foot animated swamp scarecrow. So those are pretty cool. If you guys are into the Halloween thing, thought it'd be pretty cool to touch on those. I think we touched on them in the last ad as well. So make it consistent, right? So here's some take control of your pest problems. A lot of times during the summer you get the pests start coming out for the summer. Exterior paint, essentials for your next project. Bunch of paint and painting supplies. And that is it, guys. So not very many tools to speak of in the ad, but again, guys, I want to make sure you guys understand that just what you see in the ad is not everything that they have. This is just kind of what they're promoting in their ad. For the tools, they're really promoting the Milwaukee toolkits. But guys, if you go onto their website and you look through the tools, they always have deals on tools. Milwaukee, Ryobi, Makita, DeWalt, you name it, they have deals on tools like every single day. So these ads, we're just going through them because it just makes it so much easier just to hit on what they're highlighting for the week, because trying to go through everything on Home Depot site is just going to be it's just going to be too much, and it's going to make a long boring video. So the moral of the story is, guys, go on to homedepot.com and look for special tools or stuff that you think stuff that you're wanting, and see if they have it on a good deal, is basically what I'm trying to say. Also, going into Home Depot, you do find a lot of deals that they don't even have online, kind of like secret deals. So just keep that in mind, guys. But anyway, hopefully you like this video. Gives a little insight onto what they're promoting for the week. So anyway, guys, if you guys did like this video, make sure to go take a second and go down there and hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, I would highly appreciate it. I would greatly appreciate it if you go down there and hit that subscribe button, guys. We're over 600 subscribers. We're shooting for 1,000. Hopefully we can get 1,000 pretty soon. My channel's been going for a while, but we're slowly but surely getting there. And I want to thank all of you that have subscribed and also have watched and supported my channel till now. And I hope you continue to watch and support my channel. So anyway, guys, we're going to go ahead and end it there. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.